I thought somebody that ain't had a pillow tabby said something, you know?
Leaving me, flipping out on me, already got what you needed, I got.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Danni TV, where we talk about what's going on in these streets. And today, if you see by the title, we're talking about that cute Coach Pillow Tabby. Check out the duster. But I first want to start off by saying, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know if people don't really know how YouTube work, but liking, commenting, and subscribing is the most important part of YouTube. You know, y'all want to see your girl boss up. Y'all want to see me hit 1,000 subs. So make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please and thank you. And then I do want to say, I just want to, I can't even talk. Because why would I just do that? But I do want to thank my loyal supporters that like and comment every week and, you know, give me feedback. Like, I appreciate y'all, and I honestly wouldn't have this channel if it was not for y'all, because I straight remember when I had 10 subs and I'm on my way to 100. So we slowly but surely getting there. And not to mention, when I hit 100 subs, I'm doing a luxury giveaway. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. So today, if you can see by the title, I'm talking about the Coach Pillow Tabby. So if you're not familiar with it, it's the little Coach bag that y'all been seeing that went viral, okay? It's very cute, super affordable. It gives me baddie on a budget vibes. Like, it's not $1,000 like the Louis and the Gucci's and the so on, but it's not $50, you know, like a fashionable kind of bag. It's in that, you know, little price range where it's not too high and it's not too low. So this one was $3.95, and with tax it was $4.11. So honestly, it's not a bad price, given that it's Coach, first of all, and Coach has been around for years, and then just the quality of the bag. So it came in this cute little duster. I actually got mine from Dillard's. I am rocking with the purple mini, because I love purple and I love mini bags. Like, you're not about to catch me out here with this big bag looking like I'm carrying a suitcase. That's just not my vibe. But it's very smooth. It has the C on the front. Also has the Coach dog tag that is really cute. It comes with this strap that you can honestly take on and off. It comes with a longer strap where you can make it into a crossbody. Now, if you know me, you know I stay with a crossbody, and you know I love my crossbodies. So that honestly is one of the reasons why I fell in love with the bag, and not to mention because it's a mini. So it's so smooth. The quality is really good. Open up the purse, it has this compartment, it has this one, and then they also have a place for you to hold your cards, which is pretty cool. So I can definitely fit my iPhone in the bag. I can definitely fit my lip glosses, and I can also definitely fit my IDs and my cards. So I feel like it's a great size for the quality, and again, I don't like big purses. The only complaint that I have is that Coach is the people that made the purse, right? And you go on their website, they do not have all the colors. So I originally wanted the orange one, which is the bigger one, and I seen that one on Saks, and it was actually sold out. And then I started looking everywhere online, and it was sold out everywhere. So then I ended up seeing a mini, you know, mint green one. That one was sold out. And I ended up running across the purple, and I was like, you know what, I gotta get this because purple is my favorite color, and I love it. Like, I'm in love with it. This is a good bag to wear when you go into brunch, because I can't wait to step in somebody brunch with my outfit. I'm gonna be like, oh, I thought somebody that ain't had a pillow tabby said something, you know? Like, I can't wait. And Coach came out with some kitten heels. So I really can't wait to order me a pair of them, because that with this bag, okay, you gonna be bad, because I ain't seen nobody wearing kitten heels now. That's gonna be something really serious. But for me, I didn't like how, you know, if you order the purse from Coach, you get this cute decked out box, and if you order it from somewhere else, you don't get that, you know, experience. And I feel like everywhere you order the purse from should have that cute decked out box, because first of all, Coach, y'all the people that made the purse, and y'all don't even have every color on your website. And you know, you just want to give that cute aesthetic and that good customer service. So that's something Coach needs to work on. But other than that, like, it's a very cute bag, super stylish, mini, you know, and I really like it. And honestly, it comes in a lot of colors. Like, they have a pink one that's like taffy, they have green, purple, mint green. Now that mint is really fire. They have like a cream, they have orange, literally every color you can think of. So I would highly recommend, because it's like a baddie on a budget bag, and it's not really that expensive. So it's like, I don't know, I would say get the purse, because what else you doing? You would spend $1,000 with Louis Vuitton, you might as well spend it with Coach. Like Coach said, we had a pandemic last year, and we coming back harder than ever for 2021. Like, I think this one is called the vintage one. And just think about it, you know, when you get older, you could pass it down to like your niece, or pass it down to your daughters. Like, I don't know, it's cute. I feel like it's a classic, timeless item. It's not going to go out of style, and it's just a statement piece. You know, you can put on your all white and then pop out, bam, put the purple in there, or put on all black and pop out with your purple, because ain't nobody gonna be in the brunch with the Pillow Tabby. You feel me? It's a very hard item to get, because they sell out, you know, super quick. When I was looking for the orange one, I seen it on Nordstrom's website, and then my phone started tripping, and I went back to the website, and I was not able to get it because it was only one left, and it was gone just like that. So if you had a chance to get it, I would say snag you one, because it's really a timeless item, and it's just so cute, and I honestly love the quality. And then just to think about it, you can dress it up or down. So you have this strap that it comes with. You also have a longer crossbody strap, and you can remove these straps. So I seen a gold, and I also seen silver straps on Amazon, and I'm going to order one. But I guess I'm going to have to order like the grayish, blackish one, because the gold, it wouldn't look right, because, you know, this is the grayish black color. But you can jazz that up, order you a strap, jazz it up, put it on the purse, and then it'll just make it look even, you know, more elegant, and give you that bossed up baddie vibe that you may want, because, you know, that's the vibe that I want. You feel me? Like I told y'all in the other video, I'm a trendsetter, and I'm always, you know, got people vibing off me and stuff. So I don't know, I can't wait to step out with my Pillow Tabby. Because if you don't have a Pillow Tabby, what you talking about? Let me stop playing. And I really hate the fake laugh that I be doing, y'all. I don't know where that fake laugh came from, but it just needs to like exit my body and my spirit, because I don't even know where it came from. But, you know, I don't know, I think y'all should get the Pillow Tabby. You know, join me, send me y'all Pillow Tabby pics, comment, you know, let me know which Pillow Tabby you would get. Would you get the mini one? Would you get the big one? Which color you would get? Or, you know, what purses do y'all like, or what's in style to y'all? And then also comment and let me know if you like this video, and if you would like to see more content like this, because I'm in a space where I'm really just, you know, trying to find my niche, and I have so many different ideas of what I want to put out and what should I put out. But, you know, let me know what y'all would like to see on my channel, because I would really like, you know, to hear y'all voice and stuff. Well, I wouldn't be able to hear y'all, but I would like to read y'all comments, I should say. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot stress that enough. I don't know, and let me know, because baby, I don't want nobody saying nothing to me when I'm stepping in somebody's brunch with my Pillow Tabby. And I also feel like it's a great item to wear on like date night. You can wear it on vacation. It's just fire, and I can't wait to step out with my pillow. So thank you guys for watching, and until next video.
It ain't talking the bag, I cover my ears.